Charles talks a good deal about Joe the plumber. And the truth is that Joe the plumber makes $39,000 a year. Most of us with BAs do considerably better than that, unless we're in education, journalism, or we're preachers. But the bottom line here is that the value of technical education in America has been declining since the 1970s. The value of general education has been increasing, both for individuals who want more flexibility in a much more tempestuous labor market, and for employers who want flexibility in the face of economic and technical change. That's why the BA.